Hi, it's Amber with today's Take a Breather Tech Minute. Today we're going to talk about the absolutely new, amazing feature of Google Drive called Google Drive Shortcuts. So let's take a look. I'm going to head over to my Drive, and let's say that I have these documents. Right now they're in the Planning for Remote Learning folder. But when I'm looking for translated documents, I may not think to look in the Planning for Remote Learning folder, so I wish they could also be in my Translated Documents folder. So previously in Google Drive, you had to know the super secret keystroke to get a document to be added to another folder, and that was the Shift Z. So if I had a document selected and I hit Shift Z, I would get the option to add. So that is still available, but now Google has made it even more easy. So if I want this document to appear in two places, but not have to make a copy of it, what I can do is right-click and choose Add Shortcut to Drive. And if you hover over the little question mark, it tells you it allows the item to appear in multiple locations at once. So it's magic. So I'm going to click on Add Shortcut to Drive, and I know in my Drive I have a folder called Translated Documents. So I'm going to scroll down. I found Translated Documents, and then I'm going to add a shortcut. That didn't move it, it just put a shortcut in the other place. So if I go to Drive and I go to that Translated Documents folder, and I take a look inside. So that little arrow on the left-hand side is indicative that this is a shortcut to the original file. But this is a great way to have files in multiple places. Now the added feature that this shortcut tool adds is I can actually share to a shared drive, so that I don't have to give up ownership to the shared drive. I can put a shortcut in the shared drive. So let's take a look at how that works. So I'm going to go back to my list here, and let's say I also wanted to add that into my technology team drive. But I don't really want to drag and drop it in there because I don't want to give up ownership. I just want someone that has access to the shared drive to be able to look at it and use it. So I'm going to right click, add a shortcut, and you'll notice that I have the option to add a shortcut to shared drives. So if I wanted to add it to my technology team drive, I can simply choose the folder and add a shortcut in the team drive. So just for fun, I'm going to add it into this Active Directory folder. I'm going to take us to team drives, into the Active Directory folder, and you'll notice there is a shortcut there to the file that I added. If I go into the settings for that folder, it's still owned by the person who created it. It's not owned by the team drive. So this is a great way to share documents to a shared drive as well as into other folders, so that when you're looking for it, you don't have to worry about not being able to find it if it's inside a folder that you like, especially if you're very driven by file and folder organization and you don't want to have to search for it every time. So in your traditional filing cabinets, where you would have to make copies of a document to put it in multiple folders, Google Drive now has given you the ability to magically put a shortcut in folders so that you can still see that file in different folders, but only actually have one copy. So that's today's magic. So stew on that and take some time today to take a breather.